everybody. This is the new project. It's a 72 Honda Trail CT90 we got from a friend's stepdad who had sold his house to our friend. This was left over in the shed, and when we went over to check out our buddy's new place, he was giving us the tour. We saw this in the shed and said, man, how cool. And his stepdad happened to show up minutes later to unload the shed and continue moving out. We asked him, would you be interested in selling? And he said, yeah, sure. We said, what do you want for it? And he said, $200. So we pretty much instantly agreed. And now here it is, just wheeled it into the garage. It's been in the back of the truck for the last week since we got it. And I've been doing little stuff. I set the points gap, put on a new spark plug, and a new battery. So all the lights work now, but we still have no spark. I just got a new set of points and a condenser in the mail today, and we're getting an ignition coil tomorrow. I'm not sure which will do it. I'm going to put on what we have now and move on from there, but hopefully it'll get a spark. And then I have a brand new carburetor, just a regular Chinese carb, that I'm going to swap on so I don't have to worry about cleaning or adjusting this one. Mind you, this bike has been sitting since '05, so 16 years. So I don't really know what to expect from here. My initial impressions are pretty good, especially since all the lights work. So once the new carb is on and we hopefully get spark before the carb work ever happens, I'm really optimistic that we can just put gas in there and it'll start up. So we'll see how that goes. We won't get that far today, but that's the plan for the next few days or week or so. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. good day. We got the new condenser on. That's how you know it's getting warm. The paint cans start popping. Anyway, we got the new condenser on and hooked up. The new points in and set, I believe. This is, well, the first time I've ever gotten spark out of a bike that I did new points and set the gap on. So I think I did it right. It's at least getting spark, so it's better than it was. I don't know about the timing because I'm figuring it out as I go, but that's okay. So that's good enough for me. I think next time we'll do the carb, put the new carb on, fix this hose back here that was so dry rotted it just broke off when I took the tank off. Put some gas in it, fucking see what happens. So yeah. I'm shooting my friend's wedding tomorrow, doing the photography for that, so it'll probably be at least a couple days until I get going on that, but I'm pretty stoked because if this thing was running by next weekend, I'd be awful tempted to take it on the little trip we're taking. Other than that, I played around in disc golf today, got this done. I still have my sister's birthday barbecue to go to, so far it's been a good, productive day. And I think from here on out I can just chill. So I'm happy, and we'll see how it goes next time. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. I appreciate any support I get. At this point, I'm just doing it for me to document what I do, but if I pick up people that like seeing what I do along the way, then awesome. So thanks for watching. See you later.